So here we're going to be doing an outside partner. We're starting with half a box, and now we step side. Here, I'm going to, with my left foot, step outside my partner. She steps back with her right foot. We rock, we replace our weight, and now we step side. So now I'm going to step outside. With my right foot, she steps back with her left. I step forward, she steps back, and then to finish, we step side and side together. So we'll do this one more time. So we step half a box, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, a quick, quick, slow, a quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick.